Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I saw these cookie cutters at the dollar store and I thought, let's go ahead and try a fun pour with them. So let's give it a go. I'm going to go ahead and use the biggest one, but first I'm going to fill up my cup here. I'm going to do it as a dirty pour. So I'm going to use some white, pretty much the colors that I've been using a lot of recently. White, blue, some teal, and purple, and then a little bit of bronze. And I'm just going to go ahead and layer my cup this way. And all the materials will be down in the description, so please check that out if you have any questions on what my paints are mixed with or anything like that. All right, I've got all my paint in my cup here. I am going to put some white paint down as a base here. Okay. Get that all spread around. All right, you're definitely not required to put down that base. It just can help. So I'm going to put this basically right in the middle. And then we're just going to pour in the middle of that and we're going to see what happens. Here we go. I tried to lift that as evenly as possible. I don't think I was very successful. But it gave us definitely an interesting pattern. I was kind of wondering if it was going to seep out from underneath beforehand. It obviously did not. So it's all stayed in there until I lifted it up. there we go. Well, that was an interesting experiment. I'm not gonna lie, not nearly as exciting as I thought it was gonna be, but it definitely gave a different pattern than normal around here, and it was kind of interesting seeing how that would react. So let's go ahead and let this sit here for a bit, and then we'll bring it in for our close-up. All right, so here we go for the close-up. So it made these interesting patterns along the side here that I would not have gotten otherwise. But I'm more excited about the kind of more regular pour that was just in the middle. This part's super cool. Just looks like totally galactic. And down here. So back to the overall look. So like I said, that didn't come out as exciting as I was planning. I might try out some different cookie cutters, but you know, it was a fun experiment. Still got a cool painting out of it. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.